Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off airplane mode feature on your iPhone in two different ways on the latest iOS version. Now, this is something you want to do if you want to refresh the network or if you're looking to just turn it onto airplane mode so that it doesn't have any connection going on or off on the iPhone. We'll show you how it's done. Now, usually it works by quickly pulling down the control menu here, and you can put your plane on airplane mode by toggling that airplane symbol. Now, if you have a home button iPhone with the home button, just swipe up and the control menu will pop up just like that. Now, another way to do it if you can't access this menu is going into your settings, and from there on, right up top is airplane mode, and to turn it on, you just simply click on it, and as you can see here, what happens with the airplane mode turned on, basically Wi-Fi is turned off, Bluetooth is turned off, and cellular data is turned off. So you won't get disturbed by any of that once you have turned on airplane mode, right? And to turn it back off, you just click on it, and that's how we turn off airplane mode on our iPhone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.